We had this beautiful price nicely came back. And if you look at here, the price action, this is the key important thing we guys explain over trader. We have sort of like a head and shoulder pattern, inverted head and shoulder pattern, and looking for this breakout. So the price nicely broken and beautiful hit to the target and squeeze amazing profit. Today is 27th of August, Wednesday, 2025. As you know, the time is 10:16 London morning time, and I just finished my London morning session, guys, with amazing trades. Let me share with you how we analyzed this morning and help most of my traders 300 plus pips today. Let's look at the analysis. So if you look at the pound dollar, guys, that was a beautiful trade. As you have seen yesterday, we had this counter long trade. So we were expecting some price action at this level. So we have this breakout. We did this analysis at the Asian session. So this morning we had this breakout. As you can see here, the price came back and retest. So we also had a pullback. So this is the target we were expecting, previous low. Price nicely hit this profit target. Now let me share with you guys how I analyze the market. This one and this pullback. So in intraday. So if you look ahead, this was the analysis, are pretty straightforward. And this is the 4 hour, this is our intraday system. As you can see here, we have this price rejection here many times. You can see a 1, 2, 3, 4 time. We have this area, you can see a price respected here. So we have this breakout, this just the European Open. And as soon as the price hit this level around this fifth channel, we explain our trader bank some profit or move your stop loss at the break even. After that, we did look for another pullback. So let me share with you the next one. That was a beautiful trade this morning. And this was the trade what I'm talking about. So this morning, you can see here around 7:15 London time, we did this analysis, look for another pullback around this level. As you can see here, the price nicely developed another beautiful pullback hit to the previous low level. In 4 hour, this is the area we were looking here. So price nicely hit profit target, and that's what we explained over traders time to bank some profit. So that was the beautiful trade we had it, pound dollar. And let's look at the euro USD now. Euro USD, we had an amazing trade, and which is a pretty straightforward. If you look ahead, the prices in this channel, so we were expecting some price action here. So if you look ahead, we have this rejection here. We have 1, 2, 3 rejections. So we were looking some price action here. So we did some analysis at the Asian session. So we have this beautiful breakout. And London morning, we also had, you can see here, the price come back and develop another pullback. We have another beautiful, and this was the target we were expecting here. So the price naturally hit to the profit target and squeeze amazing profit. So now let me share with you how we analyze the market. So this was the, you can see here, we had a yesterday, we had this beautiful trade. So we did Asian session analysis, and this was the analysis we had it at the Asian session. And as I already explained to my trader, and if you look at here, let me put it downside here. So the price was, if you look at the 4 hour chart, and this is the area. And intraday, we have, as I explained, look for this breakout, because this is the first high was broken. So there might be a possibility of long or might be a broke. But based on the price action, high probability was short trade here, which we already explained. The reason behind it, if you look at here, we have head and shoulder pattern, price nicely broken. And as soon as the price broke on this low in 4 hour, and in intraday, we have another scaling trade and hit to the profit target in 4 hour. And that's what we recommend all our traders time to bank some profit. So that was a beautiful trade here. Okay, so another one, Euro Yen, we had another beautiful trade, guys. And I'm going to show you my favorite one was the gold. And I'll explain to you in just a minute. Okay, so Euro Yen, you can see here the price nicely broken here. So rejection here, rejection here. So we were expecting some price action here. So we had this beautiful trade at the Asian session. and beautiful short trade here. Let me explain to you guys. So if you look at here, we have this analysis we did yesterday. Based on that, that was a beautiful rejection to the downside, and then we have another analysis at the Asian session. This was the not Asian. This is, I believe, in European session. You can see here 716, 717. So that was a beautiful breakout. Even after the breakout, price nicely broken and give us the confirmation. And beautiful short trade here and squeeze amazing profit on euro yen. My one J, which is I was mainly focused and squeeze amazing profit. That was the gold. So let me explain to you why. So if you look at the gold here, so first of all we had a short trade here. As soon you can see here, the price nicely developed this channel. So this morning first we had a short trade here, and this is the point of interest. I was expecting a long. I was mainly interested to buy a long trade here, this London morning session. So we also had a short trade here, and as soon as the price respected, we had a long trade here. Now let me share with you guys how we analyze the market. So first of all, if you look at here, we have this was a pretty straightforward at the European Open. You can see 749. We did this analysis, and we explained through live analysis too. You can see here the price developed double top here, broken this one, and retest. Price also broken this high. So price trap into sideways market, and that's what we recommend. Let the price break, and you can see a price broken and develop another pullback. As soon as the price hit to the fifth channel, that's what we recommend over traders time to bank some profit. And after banking some profit, as soon as the price hit this 4 hour major support level, so we look at the intraday and see the price action. This is the price action was developed. Pretty straightforward. As you can see here, we explain over trader the price one to third time try to break this level, and that is, let me explain to you here, in 4 hour, and we will mainly be focused on 4 hours. So this is the area, and this says this is the weekly support. So you can see here 3 times price try to fail, and as I explained to my trader, let the price break this high and look for the opportunity. So as soon as the price broken here, momentum was developed bullish. We have this beautiful breakout, and afterwards you can see amazing long trade hit this level, around this level, and that's what we help suggest our traders time to bank some profit. Even after that, we have another beautiful small long trade here. This was the, you can see here. We always look at the pattern structure. We broadcasting instantly and helping our trader not to miss any opportunity. So this was the another beautiful breakout trade here. As soon as the price hit to the previous high, as we suggested, our traders time to consider tightening your stop loss or move your stop loss at the break even. So that was a beautiful trade, guys. This morning we had amazing trade, guys. So even we had amazing trade on dollar yen. Let me share with you guys. So dollar yen, we've been long at the Asian session. Let me explain to you why. So we have this price came back here, breakout. We had this long trade. We also had, you can see the price came back here. We also had this pullback low. So how we analyze the market? So pretty straightforward. We had this beautiful breakout. This was the yesterday, I believe. Yeah. So we had this beautiful price nicely came back. And if you look at here, the price action, this is the key important thing we guys explain over trader. We have sort of like a head and shoulder pattern, inverted head and shoulder pattern, and looking for this breakout. So the price nicely broken and beautiful hit to the target and squeeze amazing profit. And afterwards, pretty standard, we want a sign of continuation. That's why we did another analysis. You can see here around this London European Open 714 London time. We say, look, any pullback would consider a high probability trade. So we have 1 and 2 pullback. As soon as the price hit to the previous high, we suggested our traders time to consider move your stop loss at the break even or consider banking some profit. So that was a beautiful long trade on dollar yen. All right, guys, as you have seen, we manage amazing profit, and still we have a whole day, and we'll see how the New York session is going to bring opportunities for us. But if you want to see those analysis in real time with the live audio commentary support, and most welcome, join our fast growing trader community. Thank you for watching this video, guys. Have a nice day. Until next time, all the best.